Gerard, World Aquatics has made a ruling on the impasse between local club Swimaz Aquatics and the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, the ASAJ, about the participation of a minor athlete at the ongoing Walter Swim Rogers Championships. In an email correspondence to the ASAJ on Thursday and seen by TVJ Sports, the global swimming governing body recommended permission for the 14-year-old Deanna Staple to compete during the remainder of the meet, which started on Tuesday and will end on Sunday. The matter stems from Staple's omission from the club's registration list, which was due by January 27, despite payment of the Jamaican $1,700 registration fee being made on January 9 by Swimaz Aquatics to the ASAJ. The club unsuccessfully tried to rectify the issue on February 3, with the ASAJ saying, as per their regulations, registration is completed upon receipt of both funds and athletes' identifying information. However, World Aquatics recommended that the minor should not be punished for adult incompetencies, while leaving discretion up to the local governing body to proceed as it sees fit.